Ja, det kan jeg. Yes, I can. Yes, I can explain to you how to answer yes or no questions in a nice way, and at the same time what to do with exercise book page 79, exercise 8 and 9. So let's get started. If you get this question, this yes or no question, snakker du norsk? Do you speak Norwegian? A nice answer would be ja, det gjør jeg. Yes, I do. Det gjør jeg. Yes, this do I in exactly this word order. Or you can just as well say nei, det gjør jeg ikke. So, no, I don't, or no, this do I not. Remember this word order. Liker hun å danse? Does she like to dance? Ja, det gjør hun. Yes, she does. Nei, det gjør hun ikke. No, she doesn't. Skrev han brevet i går? Did he write the letter yesterday? Ja, det gjorde han. And you see here, the question is in the past tense. Skrev han? Skrev is past tense of the verb å skrive. And we respond with the past tense. Ja, det gjorde han. Yes, he did. Nei, det gjorde han ikke. No, he didn't. So, normally for the majority of verbs, we just replace them with gjør, like do, or gjorde, did. But then there are 7 verbs that just remain in the phrase, like this. Du norsk? Ja, det jeg. Yes, I am. Nei, det jeg ikke. No, I'm not. So you see, I don't replace with gjør, but I just keep it in the answer. Har hun billett? Well, the verb har also remains in the answer. Ja, det har hun. Nei, det har hun ikke. Må jeg bytte buss? Ja, det må du. Yes, you have to. Nei, det må du ikke. Skal dere spise taco? Ja, det skal vi. Eller nei, det skal vi ikke. So we keep skal as well. Vil du sove? Ja, det vil jeg. Nei, det vil jeg ikke. Kan du spille piano? Ja, det kan jeg. Nei, det kan jeg ikke. So this is how we answer yes or no questions in a nice way in Norwegian.